Good morning, everybody. Today's video will be about how to deploy your operating system automatically on the different physical node or on a node we have no operating system. We will do it with Metal Hard Services provided by the Canonical team. Let me show you the interface. This interface for this solution, the Metal Hard Service solution permits to deploy different types of operating system on the physical server. This is what we intend to do in this video. And our main purpose after this deployment of the operating system, later we'll be able to provisioning automatically OpenStack cluster on those nodes. Okay, for those who remember, in my previous video, I've shown to you this architecture, this racking plan, where we have multiple servers. Okay, and let's suppose that we intend to install operating system on those servers. We can do it manually. You have to use an automated platform to do that. This is where the Metal Hard Service comes to play. Okay, this solution permits to automatically deploy or install or operating system, different type of operating system in your environment, and you can upload different types of images, and you can use CentOS images, Red Hat images, Microsoft images for Windows. Okay, you can provisioning different type of images to your server which have no operating system. But in this video, what I would like to demonstrate to you, we have those servers. As you can see here, this server have been provisioning with this Ubuntu 24. Okay, the latest version, the long-term support version. And let me demonstrate you from the beginning. I will create first a server which have no operating system, and after creation, we will be able to deploy a new operating system on it. Okay, so let me prepare my command. Okay, I will create in my virtual environment. I will create I will define a new server, like a new server that you have in your data center. Okay, like this one, we have a new server in your data center which have no operating system. Okay, there is no operating system on those server, and what we intend to do is to provisioning a new operating system on this server. And let me show you that it is there is no operating system on this server. I will connect on it, and okay, 5. Okay, let's connect on this server created. I have just shut down this server. Okay, and I will in the moment the system will start up this server, and I will show you that there is no operating system on it. Okay, and now the server has been created with no operating system. Just to be true with you, as you can see here, I have defined the server, but there is no operating system anywhere. Okay, but what I intend to do, it will deploy through the network. Okay, with the PSE solution, we will be able to add new operating system on this server which have no operating system on it. Okay, and to do that, we have many ways. We can proceed with a Metal Hard Service. We can proceed it from the web interface, or we can use the command line interface to provisioning or to create to deploy a new operating system on it. Okay, so let's create the machine on my system. By doing so, what happens? The system will detect this new server. Let me show you a moment. Okay, and you can wait, or you can refresh the view because I have time. Okay, so at this moment, what happened you'll start up the server. As you can see, the server has start up, and it will be performing the PSE booting. Okay, let's try to connect again on the server. Yeah, great. So I can see the server has been start up, and for the first step of the deployment of the operating system, you will just start up the server and do the checking list of all materials that we have on the server and gather those information and store it in the database on the material service platform. Okay, and we have, after done that, the machine will become ready. Ready means that we can now deploy operating system on this server. Okay, now the first step, it will start automatically the server and commissioning the server, which is not gathering information from the server. And when you finish to gathering information from the server, you will have all information on this particular server in its database. And for the next step, the next step will be considered on provisioning new operating system on this one. Okay, and after this ready status, it will have this status, which is deployed status. Okay, let me show you. Great. Okay, now it's ready. This means that the gathering of information from this server is finished. Okay, so what I can do, I can say, okay, I would like to let the system, let me just refresh it. We can do it from the console, from the web interface, or we can do it on the, okay, let me show you from the command line interface. So you can view, or you can show the status of the whole server from the command line interface. As you can see, those server has been have status deployed, but those one are just in ready system. This means that the server is ready to deploy your operating system on those server. So we have to decide. Okay, here I will do it for this one. After finish of the session, it shut down simply the server. Okay, and now let me manually deploy. Okay, which is deploy. Now you deploy this operating system on this node. Okay, or we can do it also. We can do it manually. We can use the CLI command to do this action. We are not obliged to do it from the console, but you can do it from the CLI. Let me do it from the CLI. Okay, here is the ID of each server. I have just to check to take over the right server ID and say I would like to deploy this distribution, okay, on this particular server. See, once you do that, yeah, you see, the status has been updated, and the deployment is ongoing also for this server. For the previous one of the operating system is being installed. Let's me come in here on the web interface and on the console. You can see that actions is ongoing to install the operating system on those nodes. It is interesting to do it. If you imagine that we have 10, 4, even if 100 servers to deploy it automatically, with this platform you can do it. It will be very easy, very interesting to do it through this platform. And I hope that you will be able to use this one also from your side. This is what I would like to show you. Let me just wait for a moment to let this one finish. Okay, it takes. bit of time, okay, because it's an operating system which is ongoing for deployment. Yeah, okay. And as you can see, the servers will be startup, shutdown, depending on the purpose, and it's very interesting. And regarding the image, let me show you. Regarding, and you will be rebooting the server also, as you can see. Okay. Regarding the images, we can have different type of images if you like. May I have used this particular images. This image, I can download other images if I would like. Okay. I can have different types of images for deployment. Okay, I hope that this video gives you a very interesting, insightful information regarding how you can manage the deployment of the operating system on your servers. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video if this one was interesting for you. So thank you very much again, guys. Let's just wait for the deployment to be finished. Okay. Yeah. This is about the network interfaces. When it will finish. Just have to wait a little bit. Great. Okay, great. Now we can see that all server has been provisioned successfully. Let me connect. I will connect on it on this one. Where is it? Compute 2. Let's connect on it. Show you that it's real. Okay. Yeah. Great. So I'm on the new server. You can see the different interfaces are configured, and as you can see, we have the interface connected to the provisioning interface. Okay, those interfaces are connected to those bridge. As you can see here, to do different bridge in my lab environment. It is very interesting project. I hope that you will be able to test it from your side. And if you have some questions and need some help also with other, our company ECINTELLIGENCE is there to help you for your deployment. So for our next video, I hope that I will be able to show you the deployment of OpenStack with Juju, okay, deploy on the MAAS service server. So thank you very much again, guys, and have a good day. And don't forget to like and share this video. Bye from now, and take care.